Okay, here's the thing. We are here at the premiere of the Monk movie, Mr. Monk's Last Case, which premieres this Friday on Peacock. Can't wait for you to see it.
Oddly enough, I actually have my own in my pocket.
I'd like to see.
Oh, yeah.
There's a little bit of Monk in all of us, so.
What instrument does Mr. Monk play? Violin, piano, flute, or ding, 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 clarinet?
What color clothing does Mr. Monk mostly wear? Is it brown, black, blue, or gray? It's brown.
What was Mr. Monk's preferred brand of bottled water? Poland Springs, Sierra Springs, Aquafina, Dasani. Pressure's on. I have no idea. I want to say it was probably made up for television. Is Sierra Springs a real one? Did I get it? Ah!
How many phobias does Mr. Monk have? 312, 273, 159, or 47? I'm going to go for the highest number, 312. And heights, I know heights is one of them. Germs, all that stuff. People, he's actually like me in some ways.
What is Mr. Monk's catchphrase? There's a few of them. It's a blessing and a curse. Yeah, that'll do. Here's the thing. Yeah.
Please love it. How hard is that? Just love it. What do we have to do? Love